You want to go out, girls? Right up there with the blizzard of '78 and the time we got snowed in with Paul and Katie on the Cape in 2004, and I think there was one back around '99. We still had Chico at the time. He's about as old as Molly is now and is having just about as much trouble getting through the snow as she is. But 3-foot storm. 3-footer. Give me that stick. Give me. Drop it. Good girl, Abby. Good girl. Break a path out there. Break a path out to my bridge so I can go have a beer on it in this 3-foot day. Yeah, even the ski slope isn't even open. It's got so much damn snow. That's crazy, but it's true. Right, Molly? Molly? Hey, give me that stick. Drop it. Drop that stick. Do you want this stick? You want it, don't you? All right, you ready? Go get it. Yeah, they got the groomers out on the trails, but the skiers are nowhere to be seen. Right, Molly dogs? Abby's got her stick. Here comes the groomer. Hidden Valley Ski Resort. Jeez, Abby, huh? Come on. You wanted me to throw it, remember? Look a little bit like Max from yeah, what movie was that? What's the oh, the Grinch. How could I forget the Grinch? I remembered Max, but I couldn't remember Grinch. You ready for another one? You want me to throw it again, do you? One more time? One more. That's it. All right, back down the old path so it's easier on you. You ready? Mad dog. Good girl, Abby. Good girl. Come on, Moll. Come on, Molly. Come. This is the way around to the side of the garage, but he ain't going that way. I got this door open from the back of the garage. I'm shaking the trees out. They've been getting pulled down into the snow. You can see all the snow that's on the roof. It's got to be a good 2 feet right there. A lot of blowing and drifting in here. Come on, Molly. Just took me 3 hours to snow blow the driveway. Come on. Get an idea out here of how much it is. Got the truck unburied. Now that's a good 2.5. So actually, some points up top there are got to be 4 feet deep on the woodshed. So much snow, it was avalanching on me. You can see one right there. The snow's almost up to the roof of the garage. What do you want? What do you want? Where's your stick? It's right here, Dad. What are you, blind? All right, time to play with the dogs again. Abby, drop it. Drop it. Abby. Sit. Good girl.